Chapter 6 review, page 6. So I have parallelogram, so I know looking at the diagonals, they bisect each other. So this segment is equal to this segment, and this segment is equal to this segment. So if I write them down, where they're equal to each other here, so 2x minus 1 is going to equal y minus 1 as one of the equations. And this has an x, that has a y. So it looks like I'm going to have two equations and two unknowns. And then the other one is 3y minus 11 is equal to x plus 4. So again, I'm trying to get one of these, either x's or y's, by themselves. So if I take a look here, I can use this x. So that means I need to subtract 4 on this side and subtract 4 on this side. So that'll give me 3y minus 15 is going to equal x. So this is all by itself now. So I'm going to take this and substitute it back into this equation. So 2, and I said x was equal to 3y minus 15 minus 1, finish up that equation, equals y minus 1. Multiply this out, will give me 6y minus 30 minus 1 is equal to y minus 1. And looking at it, this would be 6y minus 31 is going to equal y minus 1. Subtract y from both sides. So I get 5y minus 31 is equal to minus 1. Add 31 to both sides. And so I get 5y is equal to 30. So y is equal to 6. Okay. And now I got to go find my x. So substituting it back into one of the equations, 2x minus 1 is going to equal 6 minus 1 because we said y was equal to 6. So add 1 to both sides. Those are gone. So 2x is going to equal 6, so x is equal to 3. And what else does it say? Find PT, TR, ST, and TQ. Okay, so PT is equal to 2x minus 1, which is going to equal x is equal to 3. So 2 times 3 is 6 minus 1 is 5. And find TR. So TR is equal to y minus 1. And y is equal to 6. So 6 minus 1 is going to equal 5. So those two are equal to each other. And then ST, these two should be equal to each other if we did it right. ST is going to be 3y minus 11. So 3 times y, which is 6, minus 11. And that's 18 minus 11 is going to give me 7. And finding TQ is going to be, TQ is x plus 4. And x is equal to 3. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So we did that right. Those two are equal to each other. Judging by the appearance, classify the figure as many ways as possible using rectangle, trapezoid, squares, and quadrilateral, and so on. So this is a parallelogram. Looks like opposite sides are equal and parallel, opposite sides are equal and parallel. And so then the other thing would be a quadrilateral. Parallelogram is also a quadrilateral. In the quadrilateral, is the quadrilateral a parallelogram? Explain. The diagram is not to scale. All right, so we see the opposite angles are equal to one another. And so now we're going to check here and see that the consecutive angles, 139 plus 41 is going to give me 180. So yes, it is a parallelogram. Parallelogram, ELOGRAM, because the opposite angles are congruent, and the consecutive angles are supplementary.